Subodh Pandit is called Insurance Guru. 19 years experience with 8 years journey with Pragati. Thank you to all for collaboration of business people and friends people, and we have today fantastic 8 years journey. Thank you to everyone. Friends, very easy way I am going to convey you meaning of life insurance, importance of financial role in life insurance. Friends, you have seen that many people will not work only 2 hours. People will work more than 2 hours. Why? But if you want to survive ourselves, only require 2 hours. There is some financial commitment, parents, dependent, wife, charity, lot of things is there. But if anything goes wrong to that family, how is going to manage the finance? Next question will ask. This is a big challenge. Anybody can say, tell me that without money can do anything? Today even oxygen also you have to pay the GST. If you doesn't pay the GST, you will not get oxygen, because infrastructure we have to invest. So that is the importance of financial. Then why not we consider this is a more priority. Now many people have mindset. They say we have to pay more, we have to give more continuation, some commitment. These are only is it not only to have the mindset. If you have healthy mindset, you can really becomes 199 rupees if you save. From day one you can give 1 crore to your family, and not only. Human being have to cross 3 stages. One is a childhood, where you will be dependent with some other parents, but second one we have your stand, where you will depend to others, and another last one you have to depend yourself. Nowadays is very important, and that you will get huge money. Now I need some volunteer where you can that feel that can be become such a 1 crore in 199. Anyone? Let us have some role play. Anyone can come. I'll make you crorepati. Yeah, close your eyes. Give me your hand. I have given you 2 checks. Open your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Take out the check.
How much is there?
1 crore. Thank you very much.
1 crore. No. You have to keep only 1 check.
Okay.
Another check is
189. That is for you.
Super. This is the mindset. This is the mindset people can have. Just pay 199. So easy way. Just friends, make mindset and easy you can have a crorepati. When you feel that we have inside the crorepati, really it will be it's a different. People are standing with you. Only 3 CR. Even I will not go home. I will not feel that moment what I made for financial planning for my futures. So that is the power of people. Person we can have. Thank you, sir. Become crorepati. How you feel? Thank you. Me particular. Not you going to refer, but you are going to contribute to your friend, your relative, or your neighbors, not only for his life but his future life. बोला जाता है कि बच्चे हमारे देश का भविष्य है. Tell me which school can take the admission if they don't have money, if their parents are not earning. It is a very critical situation, friends, and that is not in our hand. Can be happen anytime, any place, anywhere. Still people have the confusion. You can contribute to his life. We'll see how we can contribute to others' life. Financial support to refer Pandit. I have one ball. Just 1 minute you can play here, there, and then we'll give some magic. Just you forward side. This side. Friends, this is easy to understood. Now, can you throw me? This is the power of throw me, throw me. Throw to me. Throw me this side. Throw me. That is a power of protection, advanced protection. How many people have seen that? anytime, anywhere can be happen. Not only accident, how we don't know. Diseases out of doctors are out of 8, one is a cancer found in global wise today. Out of 4, one diabetes. And good news, when diabetes comes, he have one small brother. He also will come together. So that is called, friend, uncertainty we can stop before planning, not after planning. Many people have roam here, there, roaming on road. Anybody have seen the recently accident? Can you explain how you feel that experience?
There's a sand lying left side of the road and there's a BMTC bus and her scooty got skipped and she had a tremendous major injury to her backside of the headache. So my corrections in regards to this is this: maybe we can take 1 minute of our time every day. We people are going through such kind of roads, we have seen such kind of accidents. Maybe he or she is not having those kind of insurance. We can connect them to those people to Mr. Subodh Pandit, so that in future their life can be saved. This is a minor, but major can happen. So connecting to Subodh Pandit can help their life in future. It can happen to anyone.
That is your mistake or others' mistake. जब गिरते हैं तो अपने मर्जी से या दूसरों के मर्जी से, लेकिन उठते हैं ऊपर वाले की मर्जी से. Means we don't know how the accident will take place. So that is the power of this. I have one small quote. जिंदगी ऐसे जियो, जिंदगी ऐसे जियो, जीने का कोई गम ना हो. फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग ऐसे करो, 100 साल नहीं, 2 साल, 200 साल भी जिए तो पैसे का कभी कम ना हो. Friends, in 19 years journey, more than 2,000 family are happily associated with us. So please contribute to fill my goal, 1 crore life, and any of you people are contributing. Please connect me. That's all. The rest of I will take care. Thank you, friends. Some people you want to refer. Please write his name. Afterwards, I will take the details, and we can have the opportunity to meet him. Thank you.